What's up, beautiful people? This is going to be the second part of my Rosewater series. We're making a different version of Rosewater that's much faster and works great on skin and hair. Again, these are organic roses. I'm using a different version of roses from my rose garden. These are the hot pink fuchsia roses. They are beautiful and smell amazing. You're going to need about 4 roses, and all you have to do is just pull the petals off and put them into a bowl. Rosewater is extremely popular because of its benefits. Just to name a few, it soothes skin irritation, heals cuts, scars, and burns, moisturizes, and reduces dandruff. You want to use about 4 roses and be sure to give them a good rinse. This way it's much easier to do and it saves time. All you have to do is pour distilled water into your pot. So I'm using about 2.5 cups of water. And you just let it boil. You know that it's done when all of the petals loses its color. Next, you want to pour it into a bowl so it can cool down, and also that will extract the last little bit of color that's in the petals. And then all you have to do after that is just strain once it's cooled down. And you can use a cheesecloth, you can use stockings, or this little thingamajigger that I'm using. And voila! You're done. Look at that color though. Isn't it so pretty? Ah! Alright, kings and queens, that concludes the end of my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you are wondering if I did another Rosewater video, yes I did. This is actually a series. I am doing just different videos on how you can use your roses. The first video is more of a real way to make Rosewater that is a little bit more time consuming, but you're extracting more of the rose benefits, whereas this one you can use it more for fragrance and for body, for your skin, for your hair as well, except for because it's being boiled, you're not actually getting all of the benefits, but it is still very effective. So if you would like to get into the DIY and you like Rosewater and you would like to try it and you don't have the time to extract and add the ice and things like that with the first video, you can try this one. I'm sure you would like this one as well. So this is what I have. I use this on my hair, then I use this on my skin. So in the morning time, if I'm doing makeup, even if I'm not doing makeup, I will literally just spray that bad boy on my face and then kind of rub it in. And I've noticed a really big difference in my skin tone and the control of my acne. Since my twins has been really acting crazy, I don't know if it's a hormonal thing or what, but along this area, my forehead, I've really been getting bad breakouts, and the Rosewater is helping to keep the because I'm a bump popper, so it's helping to keep the skin tone, you know, even though I pop the bumps, which is so bad to do, but it's helping with that. And then for my hair, every day I just go through my hair and spray it, make sure it's nice and hydrated and saturated, and I rub my hands through like this, give it a good shake. And then I don't know about you guys, but for some reason I feel like my locks look better when I'm trying to puff it out. Like right now, I have been retwisted for 2 weeks. I work out, my hair sweats like crazy, and then it's still in the budding phase and it's actually starting to swell even more so. So I cannot avoid the frizz. And then some styles that I try that I feel like would look good if my hair was locked, it doesn't look as good. So I just feel like if I embrace the frizz and kind of like, instead of trying to flatten it out but puff it up, then it'll look better, kind of like a mini fro. So that's kind of like what I've been doing. I'm trying my best not to manipulate my hair still and try not to put it and pull it in tight ponytails and things like that, but for the most part, you know, I will just fluff it up and go like this, or I'll put a bandana on. I love this stage, have to embrace it. But you guys stay tuned. That is just the second part of the Rosewater series. I do actually have 2 more videos, 2 really cool ways that you can use roses. If you're interested in that, make sure that you have subscribed. If you like this video, give your girl a thumbs up, and until next time, be you, be beautiful, be blessed. Bye.